Meet John. I see and track 42 points on his body. Out of hundreds of possible exercises, I built a custom plan for him. He's now on week 8, training with digital weights up to 220 pounds. I might guess one pro. Strength in numbers. Here's what that means. 23. That's how many machines I replace in the footprint of a yoga mat. 185. The number of arm configurations available, enabling 389 full-range exercises for maximum muscle targeting. 660 pounds. The amount of force my frame can withstand. 1,600 pounds. That's the load my steel frame can bear. 0. That's your subscription fee. Millions. That's the data points I memorize across every session. 24/7, anytime training, just in time for John's Zoom meet. Here's Sarah, John's wife. She's got 40 minutes before her next meeting. I'm getting to know her across 6 dimensions and designing a plan just for her. Let's go. With my camera and 42-point skeleton, I can see when her form slips. I help her correct it, keeping her safe and on track. When her muscles fatigue, I adapt to 5 different resistance types. My plan was customized based on her interests. Sarah wants a change of scenery. Easy. Just roll and unfold. I truly do it all. And I'm still learning. Golf, rowing, boxing. Every update makes me sharper. 2 people, 2 plans, 1 incredible result. I might guess one pro. This is strength in numbers.